Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do professional female stage makeup for a theater production. Now, a couple of these steps may vary depending on the lighting and performance space you're in, but this is an overall good starting place for your makeup, so let's get started. Starting off with a bare face, the first thing you're going to want to do is moisturize and then put on a primer. I've already done these two steps, so let's get right to the next one. Apply your foundation to your entire face and neck with a damp Beauty Blender sponge. After your foundation, conceal any other blemishes with a Beauty Blender. Pay extra attention to those under-eye circles, redness around the nose and mouth. Next, set your foundation with a translucent setting powder. Setting your makeup will help it stay in place throughout the run of a show. Make sure to put extra powder underneath your eyes to catch any fallout during their eye makeup application. This is going to make you look slightly scary, but I promise it will save your makeup in the long run. Next comes the fun part, eye makeup. This step is really going to depend on your character, so talk to your makeup team for their vision. However, whatever you decide, unless you're playing one of those truly over-the-top characters, it doesn't need to be crazy. For a very neutral look, I'm going to take a light brown color and place that all over my whole eyelid. Then, I'm going to place a dark brown into my eyelid crease and blend that out. Finally, I'm going to add a shimmery gold highlight into the inner corner of my eye and on the outside to my brow bone. Use a clean, soft brush to brush away the excess setting powder that you have under your eyes. This will remove any fallout that happened when applying your eye makeup, and your foundation will still be intact. Lastly, I'm going to finish up with an eyeliner. If you're wearing fake lashes, now is the time to put them on. Once your eyeliner is finished, take a clean brush and apply bronzer in what I call a number 3 motion on your face. The bronzer should be applied to the hairline, on your forehead, the hollows of your cheeks, and the jawline. Keep the application on your hairline and jawbone lighter, and the hollows of your cheeks are where you can use a heavier hand. After you apply the bronzer, blend it in with the same damp makeup sponge, making sure there are no harsh lines. After bronzer, add blush to the apples of your cheeks. Again, here is where you can use a heavier hand, because this is theater makeup. Now it's time to fill in your brows. Use a brush and brush out your brows into their natural shape. Then go back and fill them in with an eyebrow pencil. Using a setting spray, set your makeup by misting your entire face. Apply mascara to your upper and lower lashes. Lastly, apply lipstick. Congratulations! You finished your look and are ready to hit the stage. Break a leg.